Today, I'm unboxing the 27-inch iMac with Retina 5K display. This version is starting off at about $1,700, so it has a very premium feel to it when I'm taking it out of the box and all the way through. I took extra care while I was taking it out of the box and being careful with every step I took. Now let's get into a couple of specs that might be interesting. This version has 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB in a solid state drive. As you can see, I'm putting the phone back in the box. I'm gently taking off the wrapping that comes on top of the iMac. 8 GB of RAM is a little bit low for such a premium device, but the good part is that it is upgradable. To be honest, so is 512 GB, but I digress. Funny enough, once I got this iMac started, it was running Catalina. It is the 2020 version, but I still wasn't expecting that. Now I'm taking off a sort of plastic film wrap that's over the front of the screen. This 5K display, this Retina display, is supposed to be one of the best displays in the industry, so we'll see. So this concludes my unboxing of the iMac 2020. I hope everyone enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you, subscribe, goodbye.